we have some Cameroonian brands that actually want us to market their products, but not country medicine. Like they're gonna country medicine. They want me to market their country medicine. Medicine for diabetes, high blood, eczema, ringworm. I know they market.
Yes. Hello, guys. Good morning, and welcome back to our first vlog of 2022. You guys, we've been uploading a lot of videos, but no vlog, no update, and nothing like that. See my baby girl. She has removed her socks. Now she's left with one. Yes, mother. What are you saying? Tell them something. Okay, guys. Today is a day in the life of an entrepreneurial family. So guys, we are going to take you guys along today how we spend our day as a family of entrepreneurs. Oh my god, this girl has removed the head of my mic. Can you guys see it? She has literally removed the head of it. Where is it? Husband is in front, so we have to sit behind so that I just stay with her, make her comfortable. So you guys, we are off to Douala for business errands and all that. So I just want to take you guys along to show you a little bit of how my day look like. And also, please subscribe to my channel. The content has changed. It has not completely changed, but it has changed for now. Might be in the future I'm going to still upload cooking videos, because I've noticed that my cooking videos are still doing well to now. They are bringing me a lot of traffic, but just that for now I want to concentrate on business, like business. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe, you share my videos, and you leave us a comment in the comment section. It's very important. Let us know what you think about our videos. Okay, let me know what you think about our videos. I know the content has not been great, the camera quality, the sound quality. That's why we have upgraded. Okay, we've got ourselves a mic. You guys, I got this mic thinking that it was going to go for Android, but I realized it was for iPhone. So if you also look at our content has changed simply because I've gotten an iPhone. It's about to be lit in 2022. Okay, so for now, if you look at the content and it's not still that good, it's simply because I'm still trying to figure out how to use an iPhone. I'm not used to. I'm an Android person. On a normal day, I will never buy an iPhone. Okay, on a normal day, I will never buy an iPhone. My husband has an iPhone, but I usually don't manipulate the phone. I don't touch the phone because anything about iPhone is not for me. Okay, but because I bought why are you laughing? I know. Sorry. I know iPhone is the best, but I've not been an iPhone person because I just feel like it has a little bit of complication, like when it comes to manipulating it and all that. But Android is straight to the point for me, in my opinion. Okay, so that's why I've not been in love with an iPhone. Okay, but this mic that I got, I thought this mic was for Android. When I saw it there that iOS, in my mind I was thinking that it's Android. I don't know why, but when I got there I realized that it was for iPhone. So I had to buy an iPhone just so I could use the mic and then bring you guys good content. Okay, so this vlog is going to go up before every other content on the channel, just to update you all and to let you all know that we are giving you a bang in 2022. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe. If you want to learn tips on how to become successful, see more about the products we deal with, stay tuned. Please keep watching this video. You're going to see some of the products we are dealing with in this video. I'm going to show you. Yeah. And you get it? She's not a big girl. I have a second channel. You guys don't know about that channel because that channel has been going through a lot. On that channel I do reviews on some of the products we work with or we market. On that channel I review some of the products we actually market. It's been almost 5 months I haven't put any video on that channel. So I'll link the channel down below in the description box and also in the comment section. You can go on that channel. You will see some of the products we market. So if you are a brand or you are in Cameroon and you have a product, you want people to push the product out to the market, please, we have a WhatsApp number in the comment section. You can send me a message on WhatsApp and send me a sample of the products you want us to market for you, like to push it out to the market. Go out, please let me know. That kind of medicine, country medicine, no. I want to be able to market products that people can buy and then use it for quite some time. Like, you cannot expect me to market a product that you have to use it within 2 to 3 weeks. What happens if 2 to 3 weeks somebody buys a product and it's on another medication and the person has to finish that one before the person starts using the other one? It means you get expired, right? So that's why. What happened? What is it? Show them your one teeth. My daughter has one teeth. Show them. I'm trying to do something here, okay? So what happens if the person actually is on another medication and wants to finish that one for? So that's why I know the market country medicine. I beg, I know the market country medicine. So I've had some, just let me say two, not too much. Two people approached me and they want us to market their medicine, and it's medicine for, let me say, that country medicine, okay? So I know they market that one. So I market products that can last for long. So like I said, check that channel. It's going to be linked up in the description box. And if you want to see a sample of the kind of products I market, please check that second channel. You want boo-boobs? 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 Okay. You guys, this is my first meal of the day. So my husband got me this food because, you know, as a nursing mother, I breastfeed the whole night. So in the morning, I'm very, very hungry. So he bought me this huckleberry with chicken, and then with this fufu corn. So my daughter is sleeping on my legs right now, and I'm about to eat. Every single day, we wake up by between 4:30, 5 o'clock. That's how we woke up every single day, and that's the habit of the rich people. Okay, that's millionaires' habit. You have to make sure you wake up very early every single day to get ready. So we woke up today very early and we could not make breakfast. So he got me this, and I'm about to taste the food. Okay, this food smells delicious. That's it, musilele. And the fufu corn is very, very hot. Okay, very hot. So let me eat. You guys, we are done for the day. I think the time now. Really?
Yes, sir.
My people. Hey guys, we are done for the day. We are done. I think the time now it's about past 11 a.m. We are now heading back to Boya. There is this bus. I think the bus is behind us. The bus is carrying our things, but you guys, if you've not seen the video of the things, maybe I'll insert it here or you see it before this clip. Like, these people, the way the guy is behaving, you know, these loaders, this one is just behaving like somebody that can trickle us and then carry the bus and then bend one corner, remove our things from the car. Like, the way the guy is behaving is not straightforward. He had to carry us the main road. Like, this is the main road. Oh, you guys can't even see it. This is the main entrance, but he has to carry us round. But he thinks that he's very smart, but my husband is more smarter because my husband knows every single freaking place in this dryer, like every single place. So we had to change and then follow him. So this is the reason why most people put their luggages inside the car, and then at the end of the day you go and you're waiting for the driver is not there. Maybe the driver is inside the car with pure intentions, but maybe the motorboy or the chargeur, as they call it in French, something like that, will just carry the driver and then pass thank God they had to pass in front. Ooh, there's no way I can flip this camera. So they passed in front. The way the motorboy is just behaving like he can just trickle the car and then they enter somewhere and disappear with the luggage. So we have to follow them behind. This is not the driver that usually carry our things. The one that usually carry our things is not working today. So that's why we had to call a new person. The way the guy is just behaving is not it's not clear. So what was I saying? Okay, quick update. I was trying to say that if you ever buy your things and then you put them in a car, then maybe you want to take another car or you are with your car and then you tell the driver to go while you are behind, it's risky. Let the driver be in front while you are behind. Or if they are behind, make sure you monitor them with your side mirror. It's very, very important. I think this is a life hack. It will help you. I've seen a case of a lot of people whereby they say they enter the car and then at the end of the day they arrive, they are waiting for their things and the things are not coming because something happened with those things. Maybe you send a parcel and at the end of the day the parcel will not arrive because they change direction. So always take their number plates, their phone numbers, and then their names is very important. So ta 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 ta. My baby girl is a big girl. So today, apart from that fucon, I've not eaten again. Usually, usually when I come to Douala, I like to eat. Okay, I think I'll pass at Santa Lucia. I'll get something from Santa Lucia there. Even if you don't eat anything. The number is quick business idea. If you're abroad and you want to invest back home and you're asking yourself the kind of business you can do back home, especially in Boya, I think a good shopping mall just like Santa Lucia will really be appreciated. Like really, really be appreciated. Anytime I come to Douala, okay, like last week, I saw it from Mercy Dari. There was a time whereby she came to Santa Lucia and she bought their jollof rice and she said the rice was really good. So last week I passed here and I tasted their rice, their pasta, their Irish potato hot pot. It was so good. So today again I had to pass by. Why? Because whenever we come to Douala, we are coming here for business. So we only go to like a restaurant to go and eat there. Besides me, I don't like restaurants in Douala because I feel like whenever I go there, they always go and remove old food, very, very old food, and then they have to warm it, come and give me, which is a no for me. So when I saw it on Mercy Diary vlog that she came to Santa Lucia, got their jollof rice and it was good. So I decided to pass by last week with my husband. I think my husband took Irish potato hot pot with my mom. I tasted it, it was good. We took their pizza was good. I took their pasta as well. It was equally good. So today again we are there. My husband has just gone there to get us some stuffs. When he's back with them, I'm going to show you guys. Like this is one of the businesses we need in Southwest. We need somebody now in a place where I can see a variety and then make a choice. So if you have money and you want to invest back in Cameroon, I think you should come and open a proper shopping mall. The one we have in Boya, actually we have one in Boya, but it's not functional as of now. The last time I entered there was February. I needed to buy baby's dresses. I entered there and it was empty. Everywhere was empty. The salon was empty. Of the groceries, the only thing they said then is beer, which is a no for me. If you want to succeed and save money, stay away from beer. For me, if you say you want to enjoy yourself, okay, fine, you can enjoy yourself with beer, but it's a no for me. So that's the only thing I saw there that was really booming, beer. So please come and open us a proper restaurant in Boya, like a proper restaurant. Oh God. Oh, I wish I had so many feathers at once. So many feathers. Anyways, guys, I'm still waiting for my husband. Don't say I did not give you business idea. Or Shebi, I don't give you my own business idea. Come and open us a shopping mall in Boya. Fresh shopping mall. I think there's another one there. That one is a boulangerie. Yeah, but their food. You guys, this is their pizza. The pizza is so nice. My daughter will not even allow me to show you guys. It's 700 francs. You see the pizza? It's so nice. When I cover it, she'll cry. You eat rice. Yum yum. Yum yum. This is their chicken sauce. 1,500 francs. Right? See the way you're looking at me.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The rice was delicious and every other thing I could not show you because I was carrying the baby on my legs. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos, and we'll see you in the next vlog.